Welcome back to my channel. I trust you're all doing well. As some of you are aware, in September we started the Fetal Doppler Campaign to secure 50 Dopplers for midwives who are based in rural areas in Ghana. And so far we've raised about £1,085. The target is 1,500. So we have decided to extend the campaign to the 31st of January so that we will be able to reach the target. And the other reason is that one of us will be traveling to Ghana at the end of February, beginning of March, so that we can take these with us and distribute it among the midwives. And I can't wait to see how this will impact on antenatal care. I will leave the link in the description so that you can give if you haven't, and you can share it to family and friends as well. Before you go, don't forget to hit